Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great and are safe at home, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about two products that I've been using recently, and today I'll be giving you a mini review sort of thing. So if you're interested in knowing what products are they and what are my thoughts on them, then please keep on watching, but also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And let's get started. So in today's video, I'll be talking about these two products right here, and these are from the brand called the Derma. And the first product is the Bha Cleanser Concentrate, and the second product is the Bha Exfoliant Solution. Now the reason why I'm talking about these two products right here, because I use them as a combo. First I use this one and then this one. So today I'll be reviewing it and let you guys know what I think about them. So yeah. So the first product is right here, and this is their Bha Cleanser Concentrate. This is for clear and smooth skin, and this has lactic acid, malic acid, salicylic acid, and you are supposed to use it after waking up in the morning and before going to the bed, so twice a day. This retails for 349 rupees, and you are getting 100 ml of product, which is a lot. And all of their products are dermatologically tested. They are SLS free and I guess paraben free as well. Yes, they are sulfate free, dye free, paraben free, and mineral oil free. Now this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in this beautiful cardboard sort of packaging, which is their normal packaging, and this is how your actual product looks like. It comes in this beautiful compact sort of a bottle, which is really nice and travel friendly, and also it comes with a lock sort of thing, which is really good. So step 1 is this Bha Cleanser Concentrate. Wow, you can literally see how nice and clean my skin is looking, right? And what I really like about this particular cleanser concentrate is after using it, you guys can see my skin is not feeling dry at all. So even this is a cleanser, it makes your skin look really nice and clean, but it doesn't strip off that oil and moisture from your skin. So yeah, I really like this one. Now let's talk about this guy right here, and this is especially if you have acne prone skin, and I love this one. This is the 2% BHA exfoliant solution, and this is for clogged pores and acne. So this has salicylic acid, Tasmanian, Pepperberry, and allantoin, and you are supposed to use it at night only. And this retails for 599 rupees, and you are getting 50 ml of product. And again, they are dermatologically tested and fragrance free, and this is also sulfate free, dye free, paraben free, and mineral oil free. Now the reason behind trying this particular product out, because I have been breaking out lately, and I thought of trying this one out because I have used the salicylic acid and it works great. So this time I tried this one out, and it's been a week or so I've been using it. So as you guys can see, this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in that normal cardboard sort of packaging, which is their normal packaging. It looks really nice and clean. I like their packaging. And this is how your actual product looks like. It comes in a glass jar bottle. Okay, it looks so nice and luxe, and also it comes with a cap, a pump, which is really travel friendly and convenient to use. Then step 2 is this 2% BHA exfoliant solution. First pour the solution on your palms, and also you can use a cotton pad as well. Then gently dab on your face, neck, and other affected areas on your body. You can totally use it on your back as well if you have back acne issues. Anyone with active acne, clogged pores, inflammation can use this product, and this is very much suitable for sensitive acne prone skin. Although you have to use it for a month or two consistently to see some visible result on your skin, I have been using it for a week, and it makes my skin look so nice and clean. I just love it. Now this is not a serum, okay, this is a solution, and it's very lightweight on the skin. It absorbs really quickly into the skin and doesn't feel sticky or greasy, and you guys can clearly see the difference on my skin after using it. So I've been using it, it's been a week or so, and I'm quite liking it. So yeah, if you have oily acne prone skin, I think you're gonna love this one. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys find this video helpful and informative. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit on that notification bell to stay updated every single time I upload a video. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I will see you in my next one. Bye.